the only way to find yourself is if you're lost. So you gotta get lost. That was like a bit of a maze, but we finally found our way out. This is the whole railroad tracks. This whole overpass goes from the whole, it's all over. I mean, there was miles of those bridges. You can see it all around. I mean, you know, but we finally found an exit. So now we're gonna go to the Gateway of India. See if we can find that ferry to the Elephant Caves. Yeah, so we're here at the gate. This is the Gateway of India. And look at this beautiful structure right over here. Erected to commemorate the landing in India of their Imperial Majesties King George and Queen Mary. So that's a beautiful little arch. Then we have the Taj Hotel, I believe. That's beautiful over there too. Look at that architecture. Awesome. It's definitely beautiful. And then I believe that looks like Vivekananda. He was one of the first mystics to go overseas, and he landed in Chicago. Chicago is, you know, where I was born, and he really helped spread the ideas of Hinduism, you know, which are pretty noble. This is where he left from. Left for America from Bombay, the 31st of May, 1893, more than 100 years ago. He's a great man right there. So yeah, we're gonna take a ferry ride over to the Elephant Caves. Should be a nice little ride. See you in the caves. So we're getting on the boat now, the ferry, over to these islands. Check it out. I wonder if they have any beer on this boat, on this ferry. They overbooked it, people got excited. What do you think? No. He says no, but I say maybe. And we're off. Yeah, so we take this bridge. This look, they got some tracks here, looks like. So, check out this island. So yeah, we got more markets. Heading to the caves. We got more markets. So just have to stop getting so much stuff. I have so much stuff. I bought little knickknacks, tchotchkes. Forget about it. Hopefully they don't weigh me while going back, because I'm gonna be overweight. Look at these elephant caves. Looks beautiful. Carved into the cave, into the rock. That's magnificent. Beautiful. Look at the pillars. You see the Shiva Ling there? Oh, it looks like we're getting pulled over by the Indian Coast Guard. They're gonna board us. You can't make this stuff up. And it's a full moon. It's the moon. So we were coming back on the ferry back to Mumbai to the Elephant Island with the caves that we were looking at. And we get pulled over by the Coast Guard. And then the Mumbai police come. And there's one person that doesn't have an ID. I'm not gonna mention any names, but guess of all people that doesn't have the ID, it's him. He didn't have the ID. Okay? You can't make this stuff up. Yeah, so that was the boat. You know, we got pulled over by the Coast Guard, by the police. It was pretty heavy. And then we entered through the gate of India. Beautiful. It's the way to do it. So yeah, beautiful. It was a nice ride. The caves were awesome, and coming back it was definitely eventful. We got pulled over. That was wild, you know, and they came in aggressive. And of all the people, one person didn't have their ID, and guess who was sitting next to him? Me. So that was pretty hilarious. Yeah, you can't make this stuff up. But look at this. Was the Taj Hotel? Look at that, lit up. Oranges, yellows, whites. That's nice.